Used to spend my nights out the barroom. Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottle and brought me back, being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I stay stoned on your love.